Let's revisit one of our top stories of vandalism being reported at one of the Delhi Christian schools. Reports of vandalism at the Holy Child Auxilium School in Vasant Vihar. School kids had to be sent back home and the Delhi police is on the spot. Let's go across to Bhairavi for more on this. Bhairavi, at this point, what is the police saying?
Well, Kulsum, just as the case 10 days ago at Vasant Kunj in the adjoining Vasant Kunj area of South Delhi, the police extremely tight-lipped at the moment, not really talking to the media and also, of course, cordoning off this whole area for the media. The senior police officials were here a short while ago, but what sources inside the school are telling us at this moment are that CCTV cameras, the wires of that were cut and some amount of money was also stolen from the principal's room. Now, sources also telling us that at the moment a case of theft has been registered in this, similar to the case of theft that was registered 10 days ago in the church attack case in Vasant Kunj, where, of course, what happened later, we all know the massive protests at the church in New Delhi, and of course after that the Home Minister was met members of the church community and the Christian community, and of course assurances were made both by the police and the Home Ministry that vigil will be increased in minority schools and churches, and of course an inquiry will also be set up in all the previous cases. And now this case would be the sixth such case, but of course at the moment only allegations of vandalism not being confirmed by the police. They are of course off the record saying that this is prima facie a case of theft because money has been taken from the principal's room. But interestingly, of course, CCTV cameras have been broken according to school sources. So we're waiting for some sort of official confirmation from the police on what exactly are the sections under which the case will finally be registered. Kulsum.
Right, Bhairavi, thanks very much for joining us with that update.